Engine oil is one of the smallest details in a machine, yet it often decides whether an engine runs smoothly or wears down early. A mechanic named Lena kept a notebook of failures, and the same mistake appeared again and again. Drivers guessed their oil could last forever, or they waited until a warning light flashed, or they trusted a sticker on the windshield without checking how the vehicle was actually used. On a rainy Monday, a taxi owner brought in a car that sounded tired at only 80,000 miles. The oil on the dipstick was dark and thin, and the engine had begun to knock at idle. The owner was surprised because the car had not missed any appointments at the shop. But Lena pointed out the truth. City driving, short trips, heavy loads, hot weather, dust, and long periods of idling all age oil faster than casual driving does. She explained that there is no single answer for every engine. The right change interval depends on the manufacturer's recommendation, the type of oil, and the way the vehicle is used. Conventional oil usually needs more frequent changes than synthetic oil. Older engines, turbocharged engines, and cars that work hard often benefit from shorter intervals. A vehicle that mostly cruises on highways may safely go longer between services than one used for stop-and-go traffic. The taxi owner asked for a simple rule. Lena gave one, but with caution. Check the owner's manual first. If the manual says to change oil at a certain mileage or time, follow that schedule unless severe driving conditions apply. If the vehicle sees severe use, shorten the interval. Even when the mileage is low, oil can break down with age, moisture, and contamination, so time matters as much as distance. To make the decision easier, Lena taught a routine. Look at the oil level every few weeks. Inspect the color and texture, though dark oil alone does not always mean it is ruined. Watch for thick sludge, a burnt smell, metal particles, or a sudden drop in level. Pay attention to dashboard warnings, unusual engine noise, and reduced smoothness. These signs can mean the engine needs attention before damage spreads. The owner finally understood that oil changes are not just a habit. They are a defense against friction, heat, dirt, and corrosion. Fresh oil protects moving parts, helps cooling, and keeps the engine cleaner from the inside. By the end of the day, the taxi left with clean oil and a clear schedule. Lena wrote one last note in her notebook. The best oil change interval is not the longest one possible. It is the one that matches the engine, the oil, and the real life the vehicle actually lives.